Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another HFM.Parts video. This is one we've all been waiting for. The R34 GTT caliper adapter bracket. Let's determine our left and right hand sides. This is indicated by the part number on each adapter. You will need the 30mm hex head bolt and a flat washer from the included bolt kit. Position the adapter and insert the hex head bolt into the top bolt hole. Excellent. Then insert the cap head bolt into the bottom bolt hole, tightening both by hand. Then use the torque wrench at 60 to 70 foot-pound or 81 to 95 Newton-meter. Next, use the 45mm hex head bolt and a flat washer. This will be used to install the caliper. Tighten the bolts by hand, then use a ratchet to further tighten the bolts. We want the assembly to stay together and apply some pressure but still be easy to remove. This is because we want the caliper to file with the knuckle, creating markings that we can use as a guide for finishing. When you remove your caliper, you should see two sections of markings. Using a small degrinder, linish those areas. Using this video as a reference of how much. Test fit the caliper and check that there's no interference. And when you're happy, continue with the install and torque all the bolts. This increases your rotor from 310 to 324mm. I know, awesome, right? This probably sounds like music to your ears. I know, because I'm hearing it too. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.